Want to glow up in 2021 looking from this to this? Then keep on watching. So starting off with my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me One using a damp sponge and just put it all over my face. And then prime my eyelids using the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. I'm going to use concealer next for my eyelids as well. And then using the iMagic Tiger palette eyeshadow, I'm going to use the shade Mocha and put it on the outer part of my eyelids, creating a sharp edge. Then using the shade Pearl from the same palette, I'm going to put it on the inner corner of my eyes towards the middle. And then put eyeliner on. I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Ink Liquid Liner. And then using the shade Snow, I'm going to put it on my waterline. And then I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to film myself doing my eyebrows. Maybelline Total Temptations. And do the same on the bottom, and then use a concealer to clean my eyeliner. And then use Nishido powder to set my concealer. And then using the same shade Mocha, I'm just going to contour my face, my cheekbones, my temples, and then my nose to make it look more snatched. I'm just putting blush on with the shade Cocoa and then diluting it with the Nishido blush. And then I put on lipstick using the Maybelline Super Stay. And then wait for it to dry before I put on the gloss over it. I forgot to film it as well. I'm so sorry, you guys. And then just doing my highlighter and blending it well into my nose. And then for the finishing touch, I'm just using the Nishido Matte Setting Spray. That's it, you guys. That's the final look. I hope you enjoy it. Click like and subscribe. Love you. Mwah.